Guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price. As I told you in yesterday's video, we were expecting that the prices will fall lower, and that's why I said in my yesterday's video that I just opened new short positions. These short positions now, after Bitcoin dumped heavily within the last 24 hours, are already racking in almost $40,000, or to be exact, even over $40,000 in unrealized profits right now. And the question is, do we need to expect the price to fall lower? Should I scale these trades up? Am I even maybe opening a new trade very soon, or do we need to take these shorts out of the market because the price will reverse? We will take a look at the charts today, and I also have a very interesting on-chain data that we also need to take a look at today to find out where the Bitcoin price is going to go next. Besides that, guys, it's finally time. My completely for free trading tutorials, my free Telegram group with market updates, on-chain data, trading signals, my community chat, and my free trading indicator are now available for you guys. And everything is completely for free. You will never be able to pay for it. The only thing that you will need to do, guys, is visit cryptomo.io. The link is at the top of the description. And as soon as you visit this page, you will need to sign up on Bitget. This is the best exchange right there out there. I just switched all of my trading to Bitget because with my link in the video description, you get 15% reduced fees. So you will be trading with the lowest fees available at the market. On top of that, you can receive up to $4,000 in trading bonuses and trading tournaments with prices that are only for people actually signed up with my Bitget affiliate link. But the most important thing is that you are signed up, so that if you enter your Bitget user ID here on the page, your trading username and your Telegram username, and you submit everything, that then I can check in the backend and I can see that you are actually an active member of the community and not a bot, and then you will be added to these groups and everything completely for free. But now, guys, let's just jump back into the charts and into our trades. Guys, tomorrow I will upload a trading tutorial explaining you exactly how Bitget works, helping you to find your user ID and stuff like that. And also, I will explain you some tips and tricks that are now actually available on Bitget, since there are new things that are just not available on other exchanges, right? For example, the spot grid bot, the futures grid bot. These are things we will use in the future in our strategies. So guys, stick around for the video tutorial tomorrow, and make sure to secure yourself access to all of this offering here that is completely for free for active community members out there that also support me by trading through my affiliate link, right? But now, guys, let's just jump right into the charts. In my German video earlier today, I was discussing that we have this potential bear flag here, right? And Bitcoin now already broke to the downside. This didn't really change anything. On the bigger time frames, we were looking bearish. I mean, this 4-hourly candle is about to close in 15 minutes. If it's not getting bought up significantly above the $21,000 level, this for sure is again a bearish 4-hourly candle close. And also looking at the price target that we would have right now with the confirmed breakout that we saw here on the hourly out of this bear flag, we are right now looking at a low price target of the $20,000. And looking at the 4-hourly time frame, you will already see that the $20,000 is actually slightly below our upward sloping support. This shouldn't be worrying us all too much, since in the past we have also seen a beautiful wick here. But as you guys know, the more often a support gets retested, the more likely it is that it actually eventually breaks to the downside. I'm not sure what this line is. I think it's from the daily time frame. But what we now need to expect is, first of all, okay, with this breakout, it is very likely that Bitcoin at least goes into the direction of the $20,300 level. So for now, I will keep my short positions open. I will not scale them up, but I also won't close them. As you guys can see, I already took $2,000 in profits out of my Ethereum trade. So I'm not going to take any additional profits for now. The only time where I would significantly decrease my shorts and take significant profits would be if we, on the 1-hourly time frame again, break here this downward sloping past support, right? Again to the upside. That would be a moment in time where I will actually take significant profits, because after that, price is expected to go higher for at least the short term. But the breaking of this downward sloping past support here is the more unlikely scenario right now with the bearish breakdown target of this bear flag that we just broke out of on the daily time frame. We are definitely looking more likely to retest the $20,300 level now here in the near future. So let's wait for that. At that price level, I would for sure start taking some profits, and if then our massive bear flag here on the daily time frame would break to the downside, that would be then the time for me where I would actually go ahead and scale up these short positions, right? If we break here to the downside with the daily time frame, that would be the time where I massively would scale up my short positions that we opened in yesterday's video. As I explained to you, we are opening these short positions in anticipation of a drop and then a higher potential again of breaking this upward sloping support here. And that's why, guys, we are prepared. We also still have our long swing position open that we have opened since a very long time. Liquidation price of that is still at $16,000. I still intend to double the swing long trade as soon as we hit the $16,000 level, or if we're getting close to my liquidation price slightly below the $16,000 level, I will just double the trade, and like that my liquidation price will fall far below the $14,000 level, which is the level where I expect Bitcoin to bounce at the latest time. But for now, guys, nothing is confirmed. Let's wait here what the daily time frame does, and then let's structure our trades after that. Now, guys, make sure to go into the top of the description, sign up to Bitget with my affiliate link. Guys, just make sure that it is my affiliate link and there is the referral code KXKY when you are signing up. And after that, you are actually able to put your Bitget ID in here, your trading username and your Telegram username. And after that, guys, you just have to wait for a little while after the system recognizes you in my affiliate system. And then also if you start trading actively, since as you guys can see, we have a small minimum trading volume monthly to join this group on your account, just to make sure that no bots are actually joining this group and it's actually active people in the community also trading through Bitget, since a lot of this strategy, as I explained you, and future trades will be only possible with functions you have available on Bitget, like the spot and futures grid, and also being able to place multiple take profits and stop losses at the same time, right? Multiple take profits for different amounts of your position value at different prices. Same goes for the stop loss, same goes for the take profit. And I mean, I have to say Bitget right now has the highest volume after Binance on the market right now for the futures trading. So I have to say, in my experience so far, I really didn't experience any slippage when opening bigger positions, so $2 million or something similar to that, so multi-million-dollar trades. I was not experiencing much slippage, which is very, very nice. And also, guys, you have a leverage up to 125x. I mean, you will not use the 125x to open your position, but it can be very interesting for the tips and tricks in tomorrow's video, guys. Like I said, I will explain to you how to open positions with a high leverage without risk and stuff like that. Just stick around for the tutorial tomorrow and get yourself ready by signing up on Bitget with my link at the top of the description and already joining here my Bitget referral program with the free trading view indicator, with the free groups, the video tutorials, and so on and so on. Now, guys, I hope you enjoyed the content, and we are going to see us not in the next one, because I almost forgot to talk about this on-chain data, guys. Guys, this on-chain data is very, very important because, again, it is an on-chain data that is pretty much telling us, okay, be careful, the bottom is almost in. And that's why it's getting so interesting right now, because the time period in which we either see a dump to the $14,000 to $16,000 level is getting smaller or smaller. And either we see this week or we will get a very explosive next month probably for Bitcoin, because this is showing us here, this red and blue turning line, if Bitcoins are actually held in profit or loss. And if this goes below zero, the average holder is actually holding its Bitcoin in a loss. So this means the market, most of the time in these market scenarios, are then turning around sooner or later. We need to keep in mind that so far, we really didn't dump all too far below the zero line. In the past here in bear markets, it was most of the time way, way bigger dumps. But we need to keep in mind also that each bear market, these dumps got smaller and smaller. So let's see what happens with this one. I can fully say that this is not a bottom indicator, just because this easily can dump down again when we see the wick to 14 to 16. It just means, okay, guys, again, the confirmation, what I've been saying since a couple of weeks, the bottom is in the next couple of weeks. within this summer. The only question is it in now already, or is it going to happen with a massive wick on the monthly candles, right? Like we saw here in the past, with a 35% wick on the weekly candles. And we will find out very, very, very soon. And that's why, guys, I'm not really now rushing into any bigger trades. I have my short positions open, I have my long swing trade open, and I'm prepared for any market movement. So make sure to not miss out my trading tutorial tomorrow. I will tell you some of my strategies. I will tell you how to be long and short at the same time, all that kind of stuff. And make sure to now already make yourself ready to join the group as soon as you have switched your trading to Bitget. Like I said, 15% reduced fees, guys. You will have the lowest fees that are available for you in the market when using my link. And besides that, you get a good bonus and so on and so on. You have high liquidity, so you don't need to be in fear of having wicks when opening big trades or something like this, which is also something very, very beneficial when trading with leverage, since placing your stop loss and then only getting the stop loss hit because some player maybe did a huge order on an exchange with not enough liquidity is for sure annoying. But now let me upload this video because the Bitcoin price is again pushing here to the downside, and I don't want you guys to miss out on anything. But most people that are active on my channel are short since yesterday anyways. So smash up a like, and we're going to see us in tomorrow's video. Bye bye, till then.